Hey, welcome to Bikes, Boats, and Bivouacs. We're at the Sheraton Vistana Resort. Again, this time we are in the falls section. So we are in Villa 225, which is building 7. So this is just down the street from the pool area and mini golf and tennis courts and pickleball courts. So we're in the kind of the central section of the resort. We're on the first floor this time, and we'll check it out. So I do have 2 units in here, one in the fountains and one in the cascades, but I had put a week into interval and decided to use it, and this came up, so I took it. So here you can see this is the kitchen. It's got a stove, toaster. It's got the regular coffee pot. I always bring our little mini Keurig. So we can use the Keurigs when we're here. And you can see refrigerator's new. Nothing really in there. Got some stuff in the fridge, got to go fill that up. And it's got a dishwasher. A couple more beverages there. Here you can see in the main area is the dining room table, the entertainment center with the TV. And this is the couch, which folds out into a bed. And then out here is the patio. Of course, it's screened in. It does have a fan, access from the master, and you can see it overlooks this pond. So this unit is slightly smaller than the one we're usually in. Here's the front bedroom. You can see this is 2 twin beds. So normally over in the fountain section, it's 2 queen beds in the bedrooms, but this is a smaller unit. It does have a closet. There's Marie. And there's a bathroom right here off this one. And you can see it's a jetted tub. So it kind of has jacuzzi-like features there. And the toilet. And all these units in here have a washer and dryer. So there you can see it. This is what I'm going to eventually put in my house on the first floor. And then this is entering the master. So what we see here is closets with a safe in there. There's the safe. And you got your sink on the outside. And then here you have a big walk-in shower and toilet over here and the mirror. Over in the fountains, the master has a jetted tub plus a shower and the toilet. And in these units, the jetted tub is in the other bathroom instead of larger in the master bedroom. So that's the main difference. These are just a bit smaller. And then here is the bedroom. You can see it's a king-size bed, a little table for getting fixed up and ready. You have a chair, put your shoes on, and then you have access to that patio that we were out at earlier. So this is the unit, looking good. Have a little fun down here at the Sheraton Vistana Resort in Central Florida, 2025. Okay, so we're gonna walk up to the falls pool. So you can see on this side, this is the falls section. That's Marie right there. That's the quartz section there, and the palm is down there. So the pool is right up here. A very pretty day today. So at the recreation area, they have some basketball, they have a little shuffleboard court, and we'll head over to the pool area. You can see folks playing pickleball. A lot of young folks playing, man. I don't think so. I think he was happy to sit there.
You guys want to get your floaties on and go in the big pool? Raise your hands.
Oh, it's crowded, man. People having fun?
Oh yeah.
He does exist.
I got a chair for you down there.
What's happening?
I'm gonna come in.
There she goes.
Open this truck. You can take it out. You can get the lightning speed. You just can't have both. So we returned the truck. What'd you guys find? A truck? Yeah. At the Contemporary? Yeah.
Is that Miss Harper going that way?
Harper? Yeah, she's okay. You're right.
Yeah.
Yep.
Harper, no.
I think you need lotion. Good job, Emma. Harper, walking, please. Walk.
So Marie, we go to the Sheraton every year. It's one of our favorite resorts of all time. And normally we stay in the fountain section or the Cascade section. But this time, where'd we stay?
In the falls.
We stayed in the falls section and with our son, daughter-in-law, and granddaughter, and our daughter and her family and her friend from college and her family, they stayed in the palm section, which was right next to us. So we were in two newer areas, new to us. We haven't been in those areas before, and we really enjoyed it. So let's talk a little bit about the unit we were in the falls section. It was 2 bedrooms. What was different about it compared to the fountain section?
It had single beds, not double beds.
Yeah, so it was still a 2-bedroom.
Right.
But normally in the fountains, the 1 bedroom has a king-size bed in it, and then the other bedroom has 2 queen beds in it. And this one, instead of having the 2 queen beds, had 2 twin beds. So the unit was a little bit smaller, but very nice, very nice. So it was very modern, had granite tops in the kitchen. Just one thing to point out, the coffee makers that they provide are ones that you put coffee in, you put the grounds in. It's not a K-cup coffee maker. So we always take our K-cup coffee maker with us so we can use our K-cups for coffee. But other than that, you know, it has all the appliances you need and the silverware and utensils and the bedding and all that was very nice. Very comfortable mattresses. Slept pretty good.
We always sleep well
when
we
we're
go down
there.
there.
Yeah, it was really nice. And of course, the falls section is very close to where the main activity center is. So what kind of amenities did we enjoy while we were there?
Of course, the pool and the tiki bar, Zimmy's.
Zimmy's, yeah.
The market's close by. What did we do?
Well, the pool has a slide
Right.
and a hot tub and a splash pad.
Right.
It's Callan's favorite. That's his favorite pool, the falls pool. So he was thrilled that he was in there so long his hands pruned up. So he was excited to tell me his hands pruned up, he was in the pool so long. But they also have shuffleboard there,
Oh yeah, shuffleboard.
basketball court, pickleball, tennis, and then the mini golf is right there. And they also have an activity center where there's lots of stuff to do. Now, we didn't take advantage of a lot of the activities because the kids were doing the theme parks on this trip, so they were gone almost every day. But normally we would do maybe 1 theme park or 2, and the rest of the time we're at the resort enjoying all the activities and stuff. I remember last time we were there, they made the tie-dye shirts at the activity center. There's 3 restaurants on property. So Zimmy's is the restaurant that was closest to where we stayed. Really good food, have a great Cuban sandwich. And then there's a pizza shop and a tiki bar over in the fountain section. It doesn't matter what section you're in. You can use any of the resort amenities. And then there's also the Castaways Bar, which is right by the Cascades pool, and their food and drinks are good as well. So we were right in the center where all the activities are housed, and we found that to be very advantageous with kids with little legs that can't walk as far. So that worked out. And then in addition to the resort, there's always certain things we do when we're down there. What's the first place we order food from when we arrive?
Flipper's Pizza.
Gotta have Flipper's Pizza. It is tremendous. There's a number of different locations in Central Florida, and there's two that are close by to the Sheraton Vistana Resort where we were staying. So we normally go to the one on 192 by Old Town and pick up the pizza. So I'll throw a picture in here of the pizzas we got from Flipper's. We also got wings there. They didn't make it into the picture because I wolfed them down right away. This was our granddaughter's first trip to Central Florida. Really, it was her first big vacation.
Well, Myrtle Beach she went.
Yeah, she went to Myrtle Beach. Yeah, so this would be her second vacation. But she is much more aware of her surroundings now that she's older, and we got to spend a lot of time with her, had a good time with her.
Be able to interact with her more.
Yeah, so that was really nice. She looked for us when she woke up. She really wanted to know where we were at. So I'll take a picture of me and her right here. And then an added benefit to staying at the Sheraton Vistana Resort, you can see when you look in the sky. And no, it's not drones. What is it?
Fireworks.
Yeah, so the Disney fireworks, they go off like 8 or 8:30 in the wintertime. And all you have to do is walk down to the parking lot of your unit and look up, and you'll see the fireworks. So I'll put a picture in here so you get to see what the fireworks look like from the Vistana Resort. And then the one day we had some extra time, and Ashley, our niece, who works at Disney, had some time off, so she was available because we wanted to go over there and see who?
Her golden retriever named Sophie.
So Sophie's a 2-year-old golden retriever. Many of you know we had Harley Caroline, our golden retriever, for 13 and a half years. She passed away. So we have a special place in our heart for Golden, so we wanted to go over and see her, and Lily the Beagle.
Lily the Beagle is sharing
her space.
Her space with Sophie.
So Lily was my brother's dog and got shipped to Orlando because she would eat everything. As a matter of fact, we had Thanksgiving one time, and we couldn't find the bag of Hawaiian rolls. Here, Lily was out back eating every single roll that they had bought. I think it was either 12 or 24 rolls were gone. So she got shipped off to Orlando to Ashley's house. Ashley was happy to take her. And they were moving to Florida. So that worked out well. So we wanted to go over there and see the animals.
So this is Sophie. She's got her moose.
She likes a moose too, like me.
And there's Marie. What do you think, Sophie? Sophie is 2, and she's pretty excited. She's got visitors. What do you think, Sophie? You gonna be a YouTube star?
We wanted to check you out.
And there's a kitty. What's that kitty's name, Ash?
That's Bubby.
Bubby. And I don't see Lily.
She's back here somewhere.
Comes Lily. This is the dog that used to steal an entire bag of Hawaiian dinner rolls and eat the whole bag. Huh, Lily? She heard Hawaiian dinner rolls and thought maybe she was getting a snack. Here comes that puppy!
Has a whole plethora of new toys over there too, so she's been pulling them all out and just had to clean them all.
Like the moose though.
Sit down.
She's a good dog.
So look, if this video helped you, consider subscribing to the channel. It's free, it helps me out a lot. Also, ring that bell, you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. And give the video a thumbs up, that helps it be seen by a wider audience. But more important than all that,
Go have some fun out there.
hey, thanks for watching.